Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to cool down a hot phone. Heavy usage of phone resources increases the battery temperature and reduces the phone life. Let us show you how to cool down your phone. Install the Cooling Master app, then open it. Click Continue to get started. Tap on the Find Heating Apps button. Now you see a message about granting permission to this app. Click on Done. Select the Cooling Master from the list and enable the toggle option. Go back to the app, then tap on the Find Heating Apps button again. The Cooling Master will show the apps that make your phone hot. Click on the Cool Down option. Now tap Done. That's it. What other tips do you want to know? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and make sure you press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.